Hey, good afternoon. I'm Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group and AEXP Realty. Thanks for joining us for a virtual walkthrough tour of a beautiful model home here in the Meridian Ranch subdivision, located about 10 miles east of Colorado Springs. The builder is Covington Homes, and this particular model home is the Marcel plan. Beautiful home. 13424 New Ranch Road. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car, about 3,000 square foot. This home is not for sale right now. It's a model home, but if it was for sale, which it will be down the road, it'd be around $700,000. This particular plan can typically be built with the client picking out their own upgrades around mid-60s. So, but before we do this video tour, like I said, I'm Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group, EXP Realty. We specialize in helping people with any kind of real estate needs, but especially new construction homes. We cover especially the Colorado Springs, Peyton, Monument, and Falcon areas. Before we do this video tour, I'd like to ask you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll be notified each week as we do more virtual tours of new construction homes. You'll be able to understand the market here in this Colorado Springs area. We can find the right home for you when it's the right time. So whether you're going to buy a home now, 30 days from now, or a year from now, it really doesn't matter. Let's start communicating and have some conversations, get to know each other better, put together a game plan. So if I know what you're looking for, when you want it, and where you want it, it'll enable me to do a lot better job for you, provide more value to you, get you to a home and help you save tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes $40,000 or $50,000 on your new home purchase. This particular home, like I said, beautifully finished, decorated. It's a model home called the Marcel. Let's go inside and take a look. Starting off with a nice covered front porch. A nice big wide open foyer gives you a really nice feel. This model home. Immediately to your right, you'll find a very elegant office area. Very convenient. People work from home now a lot, so having a home office is a big deal. It flows now into a very open floor plan. You know, high grade laminate flooring. Wow. To my left, you got I'd say a semi-formal eating area, a sitting area further down. This could be designed however you want it to be. It could be strictly a family room with normal furniture too. To my right, beautiful kitchen, gourmet kitchen, double ovens, stone, probably quartz, big island countertops, 42-inch cabinets, gas stove top, microwave, stainless steel appliances. This is very, very nice. And over here, this is designed, a great elegant fireplace, family room, lots of light and big windows, a true, Colorado living at its finest. Outside, you'll find a very nice covered patio, a very, very efficient flat backyard, great for your kids to play. And something very special here is across the street, you'll find the high school, and this whole open space area here is going to be a big park. So there will not be any homes built over there. So you got some great privacy with no other homes in your backyard. Okay. Let's go upstairs now. I like having a landing on these stairs. Wow, nice big loft up here, decorated immaculately with another kind of rec area, video area, media room. Can be used for anything. Back around to our right, with a stairway, double vanity full bath, a nice bedroom here. Down here we get down to our master bedroom. Very nice. Large tray ceilings, ceiling fans, flows into a very nice open master bath. A 5-piece master bath, double vanities, tub, shower, toilet room, walk-in closet, and all the boxes are checked here. All the boxes are checked. And over here is another bedroom. So we'll go downstairs now to the finished basement area. So we've got 3 bedrooms up here, and more room, more bedrooms downstairs. First room in the basement, nice little small area here, be ideal for a little workout room. Keep everybody in shape, it's a good thing. Grand space here was decorated immaculately. Media room, bar area, cocktail tables, games and so forth. We got a half bath, excuse me, a 3/4 bath here, another bedroom here. So it's ready to go. This home is located in a subdivision called Meridian Ranch. Meridian Ranch is a very established community in the Peyton and Falcon area, about 10 minutes east of Colorado Springs. It's about a 15-minute drive from here to Peterson Air Force Base. Tons of amenities right here. On the property in the subdivision, we have a large recreation facility, indoor pool, outdoor pool, workout area. We got a golf course here. We got tens and tens of miles of hiking and biking trails. Great education, so it's a really nice location. Your normal amenities as far as restaurants and grocery, gas, and so forth, 5 minutes away. If this subdivision appeals to you, this location, this type of a home built by Covington Homes, who, by the way, this year, 2003, they were rated the best builder in the Colorado Springs area. They're a high-end quality builder. Let's have a conversation. Give me a call, send me a text. Let's set up a time for a phone call or a Zoom meeting, get to know each other better. I'm Gary Jordan, Jordan Property Group. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next week.